Hindi ganyan close po ako. Hindi ganyan. Hindi ganyan. The birthday candle.
Happy birthday, Dam! Papa yun din. Happy ka lagi, ha? Ingatan ka ng Lord. Tama!
Picture! 1, 2, 3, 5. Picture naman po. Ayun ko ngalit daw. Nakabawal si mama eh. Mama niya eh. Inang ko yung mama na ito eh. Itong bibigyan ko, binigay ko ni mama mo 15 years ago. 15 years ago?
Ano lang, maging mabuting bata, may tawag kay Lord, then maging healthy, lang. Yan lang.
Thank you so much po. Picture po rin.
7th birthday ko po si ate. Sana lumaki kang kasing cool at kasing mo ang tatay AC.
Picture po.
Watching you grow into such a kind and fierce child and joyful person has been such a blessing. May your year ahead be filled with adventures, laughter, and dreams come true. Always remember how deeply loved you are by the people around here and your family, and most especially by the Lord. I'd like to speak this verse to your life. Matthew 5:16 says, "Let your light shine before others, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven." Happy birthday, we love you!
Follow down! Jollibee! Hi, Mr. Jollibee! Ayaw! Alright, mommy and daddy! Alright, Jollibee, I want you to be here! Mommy and daddy, and of course, ang ating talagang na si Adam. Nasaan po si Adam ay lumaking. Wow, kamay daw po ah. Wow, ayun na yan. Marespeto, magalang sa magulang at sa kapwa. Palakpakan naman natin and always be happy. Like Jollibee, Purple, and everybody. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating best friend Carol for this time. Magtapusin na po para kay Adam at Sabay natin ito papakita. For first generation, nasa daw po si Adam ay lumaking. Wow, pogi. Macho. At ay, ano yan? May abs. Wow, grabe. Ay, katulad ni Daddy daw. Ay, may abs. Wala guys. Wala daw. At for Tokyo second birthday wish, nasa daw po si Adam ay lumaking. Wow, mapera. Mapagbigay sa kapwa. Palakpakan naman natin si Coco. At syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang ating best friend.
Today, Adam, napakabait na to eh. So, I just want to share siguro Luke chapter 2, verse 52. So, ito, story siya ni Jesus. Sabi niya sa verse na to, one verse lang, and very simple. And Jesus grew. Lumago daw si Jesus in what? In wisdom, in stature, and in favor with God and man. So, yung tatlong bagay na yung prayer ko sa'yo, declaration ko, that you will grow in wisdom. Imagine si Jesus na ito. Diba si Jesus yung example natin, Adam? Ba, kuya? Ayan. So, siya yung example natin, hindi lang sa amin, hindi lang sa mga daddy, mommy, at sa mga tito-tita mo, even sa mga little kids. See, Jesus, when he was a kid, he grew in wisdom, stature, and in favor. So, yung una, wisdom, hindi ka lang mag-grow dahil ikaw ay matalino at mabait na bata. Sumusunod sa daddy at mommy, at sa lolo-lola at mga tita-tita. But you will also grow in wisdom, meaning, alam mo, mabuhay ng tama, at kahit sa mga maliliit na bagay, you are choosing the right things. Pangalawa, in stature, ibig sabihin, ikaw ay mag-grow healthy, normal, strong, and you will be a leader, you will be a good influence, and you will be a good example. Lastly is in favor. In favor, yeah, favor, ibig sabihin, nag-grow ka sa relationship sa Lord, at mararanasan mo yung goodness of Lord. Diba yung kinakanta natin, Adam? Kinakanta natin sa church? Yung His favor, His presence, His goodness, the blessing. Diba? Yun yung mararanasan mo if you grow in the Lord.